The 2026 Mercedes-Maybach GLS600 is not just an SUV. It's a statement, a declaration that luxury, power, and cutting-edge technology can exist in perfect harmony, on four wheels, towering high with unapologetic presence. Welcome back to 91 Gearbox, where today we dive into a rolling palace that blends opulence with beastly performance, the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach GLS600. When you first look at the new GLS600, you're greeted by an enormous grille, draped in chrome with the proud Maybach badge standing like a crown jewel. This isn't your regular GLS. This is a vehicle that redefines what it means to ride in luxury. The bodywork is sculpted and smooth, with subtle elegance rather than flashy aggression. The wheels, a staggering 23 inches, multi-spoke forged alloys that look like they belong in a jewelry showcase. Every inch screams bespoke craftsmanship. Under the hood, things get even more serious. The 2026 GLS600 features a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine with EQ boost mild hybrid tech. This combination produces 550 horsepower and 538 pound-feet of torque, with an additional 21 horsepower from the electric boost. Despite its massive size, this SUV surges from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 4.7 seconds. Yes, that's nearly supercar territory in a luxury SUV built to pamper you. But it's not just about speed. The Maybach GLS600 comes with e-active body control, a suspension system that reads the road and adapts in real time, offering what might be the smoothest ride in any SUV today. Whether you're gliding through city streets or cruising over rough terrain, the GLS600 feels like it's floating. And let's not forget the Maybach-specific drive modes that turn the experience even more tranquil for rear passengers. Step inside, and you're in another world. The cabin is draped in Napa leather, open-pore wood trim, and real metal finishes. Everything is soft to the touch, lit perfectly with customizable ambient lighting. The attention to detail is obsessive. The rear seats recline, massage, ventilate, and even offer calf support. You can spec it with a refrigerator and silver-plated champagne flutes. The MBUX rear tablet lets passengers control climate, entertainment, and more with a single touch. The technology on board is next level. Up front, you have a massive dual-screen MBUX setup, intuitive voice command system, augmented reality navigation, and a 27-speaker Burmester 4D surround sound system that turns the cabin into a private concert hall. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, biometric fingerprint access, and OTA updates come standard. And of course, it's packed with every safety feature you could imagine: adaptive cruise control, active steering assist, lane keep, cross-traffic braking, night vision assist, and more. But what sets this Maybach apart is how invisibly it works. It doesn't just keep you safe. It does so without ever disturbing the peace of your ride. At a starting price likely north of $175,000, this isn't just a vehicle. It's a status symbol, a tool for those who've already made it, and now want to move through the world in unmatched comfort and elegance. Whether you're being driven or taking the wheel yourself, the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach GLS600 delivers a drive experience that is nothing short of extraordinary. This is automotive royalty, and Mercedes-Maybach continues to prove that no one does ultra-luxury quite like they do. That's it for today's deep dive on the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach GLS600. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to 91 Gearbox for more premium car content. Let us know in the comments, would you daily drive this beast, or